is a review of kids dirt bike gear. This is for between 4 and 14 years old boys and girls. It has 5 pieces. Let's go ahead and open the box and see what we have inside. There we go. We have a nice bag. These are what I have inside the bag. This is pink color. This is for the chest area, as you can see, shoulders, and here's the back side. These are for the knee areas. These are for the arm areas. Let's go ahead and test them out. All the materials in the box. My daughter is gonna go ahead and test it on.
First, you get the big part, then you turn it around where this tag is. Then you put it on around your arm. After that, you'll get the zipper and zip it up. After you're done with the zipper part, you get these small parts for your arm and you stick the thing together. Same on the other side.
There you go.
Whoa. After you're done with that, you get these 2 parts and you put them together. And then you connect these 2 together.
And then you can adjust it, right?
And then you put these small ones, not the big ones, the small ones, on your arm. And you stick them together. You don't need to open these parts if they're closed. You can just put your arm through. Then you get the big ones for your knees, and you put it on like you put the ones on your arms on.
Here is the result. Let's go ahead and turn. Let's see. You're like a robot. Come here. Alrighty, let's go outside and ride a bike.
Really good for riding bicycles and dirt bikes because when you fall down, you won't get hurt. All you need is a helmet, and all these. And then you can ride peacefully without falling. And if you fall, then you won't hurt yourself. You can protect yourself. You can protect your knee or your body and your arm, shoulder. And you can protect your head if you have a helmet. Pretend I'm falling, for example.
Okay. What part of your body did you protect? Or does it protect? Knees
I protected
and elbows.
and elbows, and it can protect your whole body, like your back and your where your belly is.
What about sit down? Sit down and just lay down. You see? Right now she's safe. Now your elbows, your knees and your chest, they are protected.
Taking it off. First you can start with any part you want. And I'm gonna start with my knee.
Okay.
Open these, then you can put it anywhere you want. And same on the other side. Just like you did on the knees, you need to do the same thing.
For the elbows.
To take these off, you need to first pull down the zipper.
Mm-hmm.
Then you open this part. And you do this part too. And take this off.
And now we are good to go. Let's see. Definitely suggest this product, right?
I definitely suggest this product because one of my friends recently had an accident.
With the dirt bike. Then what happened?
Actually, with an electric scooter.
Okay.
And he cut his face and his knee, and he couldn't open his eye. He felt really bad.
That's why we need this, correct? The other is 6 years old. She is also able to wear. Right? Let's go. Awesome. Thank you.